resize object in Figma. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can resize object in Figma. In order to do so, firstly open your Figma application on your device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right corner, you will be able to locate the Create button. Simply click on it and then a pop-up will appear. Now from here, select this design option. Now this will take you to the editing space. Once you reach to the editing panel or the space, here now you will need to find the object that you would like to resize. If you would like to draw the object, then you can simply click on this rectangle at the very bottom and then now click and drag to draw a rectangle. Once after doing that, now if you would like to resize it, you may simply right click on it to select the object and then drag any corner or edge handle to resize it freely. Also, you can hold the shift key of your keyboard while dragging the object to maintain the object's proportion. If you want proportional scaling, then you may simply press on K key from your keyboard and at the right side you'll be able to see the scale section. Now here you can input your scale's value in order to scale your object. Simply click on it and enter the values. Once after doing that, simply press on enter and then you will see you have successfully resized the object as per your preference in Figma. So this is how you can resize object in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.